This system we installed in a vertical application, and the reason we installed it in a vertical application is because in the attic here we are running ductwork down, and the customers would like to have access throughout their entire attic. So by running all the ductwork down from the top, we've allowed access to the entire attic space. And if we would have ran this system in a horizontal application, it would have been a pain in the behind to service the system on a regular basis. Water heater is off to the side. Your return plenum is right there to the right, has the road on there as well, proudly installed by Taylor and Tyler on their system. I tell the guys, if you do a job right, write your name on it. Therefore, everybody knows that either you did the job right or you did it wrong. If they write their name on it, you know they're going to do it right for sure. We installed the system vertical. Underneath this particular platform, inside that wooden box there's a drain pan underneath there. So if ever that drain clogs up and water overflows, it'll fall into a drain pan, therefore shutting the system off with a float switch on it. Vent pipe runs up through the roof with a cap and collar on it over here. Everything's strapped up. All the duct work is strapped up nice and neat, as you can see. We ran that one duct off of the supply plenum off of the top to give maximum airflow all the way into the living room and kitchen area over there. Everything has dampers on it, so all ducts can be adjusted. The blowout valve is installed here. Therefore, it allows us to blow these drain lines out when we service the system. You have a switch on it. All of our wires are neatly tucked away. Float switch over here on the system. Gas cock down at the bottom stays in the on position. Everything is mastic around the system down at the bottom, and everything's siliconed around the unit itself. Mastic around the coil to the heater. All the plenum is all mastic and sealed. Collars are mastic and sealed. So these guys did a good quality install when they went ahead and installed this system. They try to take pride in their work and do a good job with everything. If you have any questions about how a system should be installed, because every system is a little bit different, and that's just what we do for a living.